skin feels super soft. Hi guys, so this is True Stevie, and today we're going to be doing a mask first impressions of e.l.f.'s magnetic beauty shield mask. So that seems pretty fun. Oh, it's kind of shiny. You can kind of see my background. So I'm excited to try that out. I got the e.l.f. Pore Refining brush to kind of apply it with. And then I also got an e.l.f. Pore Refining peel off mask with charcoal and witch hazel and lavender. So I will be putting this on my nose and the rest of this on the rest of my face. So I'm gonna wash my face and then come back to put this on with you guys. So hold right there. I just got it everywhere. I just got that mud like all over the carpet. It just like popped everywhere. No worries. No one saw that. Except for everybody who's watching. Okay, so I'm gonna use the spatula. So, packaging says directions with the scoop side of the magnetic tool, which I didn't use. I just used the mask applicator from separately. It looked more comfortable than the other side of this thingy. I mean, like, this one's all like hard and plastic. And then this one is nice and silicone-y and flexible. So I chose the more comfortable one. But it says that you could technically have used this side to be able to apply it. I did not read the directions until after I applied it. So it says apply mask to clean, dry face, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. And then we shall use the magnetic tool. And then we also have the Pore Refining Peel Off Mask, which has little glitters in it. So my nose should be all glittery, if you can see that. The Shimmering Black Peel Off Mask strips away impurities and dead skin. Peel away dirt, oil, and clogged pores to reveal softer, cleaner looking skin. So apply a generous layer and clean skin, avoiding the eyebrows and hairline. Leave on for 30 minutes and then peel off. So one is 5 to 10 minutes. So after close to probably maybe I'll pick around 8 minutes, I will do the magnetic mask, and then later I will peel off my nose. So until then, I will come back to you when the time has come. Okay guys, so I've spent around 10 minutes instead of 8 minutes. I got distracted with reading an email, and then so now let's get this stuff off. There's our magnetic beauty shield. Sorry for my sniffles. I've been sick the past several days, but I just thought this would be a nice way to make myself feel better. So I'm gonna wrap this little plastic thing over the beauty shield and then take my mirror and we'll start up here. Oh my God, look how crazy that looks. Can you see that? Oh my God. It's like disappearing. How cool is that, guys? It looks so trippy. This is possibly the coolest mask ever. I mean, how cool is that cleanup, guys? And the stuff that's left on there just feels really soft. Oh, look at all of it. How weird. And then you just kind of clean it up by just removing it all. Oh my gosh, it's like pulling at it. Oh my gosh. How neat is that? How neat is that? There's all the magnetic stuff. Oh, that is so cool. I just thought that was cool. My skin feels super soft. First impressions, guys. I kind of like it. And as I like touch my face with my fingers again, I'm just like, ooh. So now I have this thing here, which feels pretty hard. I think I could probably pull it up now instead of waiting longer. Oh my God. Oh, hold up my nose ring. So that didn't feel too bad. I definitely didn't put on like a super thick layer or anything like that, but seeing whether or not it feels any better. There it is. My nose doesn't feel like super dry or anything, so that's good. Especially since I've been like sniffling and like rubbing my nose raw with like tissue papers. So I'm gonna kind of get the rest of the stray stuff off. But that was my first impressions of the magnetic elf mask and the glimmery kind of glitter refining mask. So I'm not sure whether or not the refining mask really did anything, but my nose doesn't feel like dry or uncomfortable, although like the magnetic mask feels like, I don't know, my skin feels softer afterwards. What do you guys think? You saw before and now you see after. You let me know whether or not you think it did anything, but it certainly felt really cool and I really enjoyed the magnetic mask. As for the nose peely thing, I kind of enjoy things that don't take a lot of effort to clean off when it's all said and done. So there's that benefit. So let me go ahead and finish getting the rest of this stuff off. So my skin does feel pretty soft. I enjoyed the masks. First impression wise, I really enjoy the magnetic mask. As for the glitter mask, the refining mask, I'm not sure how I feel about it. I probably use it a few more times before I'm deciding whether or not it's like an awesome one, but it does peel off better, a lot better than some other peel offs, and I like that it's glittery. It does leave a few glitter spots behind, so it's not completely clear away in regards to getting rid of the glitter, which technically I like glitters, so it's not that big of a deal for me. So other than that, that was a first impressions of doing an elf mask with you. And until next time, don't forget to check out some of my other videos that I will be making shortly after this to make up this face again. Bye guys.